High demand jobs in Dubai 2022.
Are you looking for a new job in the United Arab Emirates? Do you need to find a new career that aligns with your past experience and will provide a generous salary? I will tell you some of the most in-demand jobs in UAE in 2022, along with some of the most in-demand skills you'll need to qualify for them. Before we explore the most in-demand jobs in UAE in 2022, let's break down some of the most valuable skills for workers in the UAE. Here are some high-demand skills you may want to start working on to increase your chances of getting hired. Nursing, financial analysis and management, blogging, social media marketing, video production, engineering, customer relationship management, teaching and mobile application developer. Now, let's get into the most in-demand jobs in UAE in 2022. What kind of job should you apply for? Here are the top 20 highest demand options for you to consider. The nurse. Salary range, 8,400 to 26,000 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, Asta Pharmacy, NMC, and Eye Care. Healthcare assistant. Salary range, more than 3,125 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, Asta Pharmacy and Canadian Specialist Hospital. Digital marketing specialist. Salary range, 7,000 to 10,000 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, Upgrade Digital, Charterhouse Middle East, and Cisco Jobs. Software developer. Salary range, 6,000 to 10,500 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, Oresco, Orge Investments, Emirates Technology Solutions and Eye Care. User interface designer. Salary range, 6,000 to 10,000 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, BrainLake, Amazon Data Services and Manpower Group Middle East. Cybersecurity analyst. Salary range, 14,000 to 29,000 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, Nadia Recruitment and Management Consulting and Halio. Graphic designer. Salary range, 5,670 to 12,700 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, Upgrade Digital, Pink Neon Advertising and Circa Group. Social media marketing specialist. Salary range, 9,850 to 20,700 Emirati dirhams. Companies hiring, Ubisoft, Al Futtaim Group, and Genevco, Marriott.
If you need to know the best way to approach Dubai companies to apply for job, let us know. We will try our best to give you all information. Subscribe our YouTube channel to get all update and good luck.